Hey there, I want to talk to you about something that's really close to my heart, building resilience. You know, life has a way of throwing curveballs at us, right? But here's the thing. We can't control every twist and turn, but we certainly can control how we respond to them. Life's challenges are inevitable. They come in all shapes and sizes. But building resilience is like having a superpower. It helps us to bounce back and grow stronger no matter what. So how do we do it? Well, it starts with mindset. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Instead of seeing them as roadblocks, see them as detours, leading you to unexpected, sometimes better destinations. Secondly, you have to develop your problem-solving skills. Look, you can't just sit back and expect things to work out. You have to take a proactive approach to your challenges. By honing your problem-solving skills, you'll learn to analyze situations objectively, break down complex issues into manageable components, and devise effective solutions. Next up, self-care. Take care of your mind and body. Exercise, get enough sleep, and surround yourself with a positive support system. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Think of resilience like a plant. It needs care, it needs attention, and sometimes it might weather a storm. But with time, it grows stronger. Its roots go deeper, and it becomes what? More resilient. That's you. So here's to facing challenges head on, growing through adversity, and emerging stronger than ever. Remember, you got this. Keep on pushing.